peeps, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Wise Choice channel, and season greetings to everybody and them family. Yeah man, so this time around now, I'll be bringing you, Mr. Wise Choice is going to be doing a sorrel fruit cake. So, got my Caribbean Dreams sorrel, 2 packs. That I'm going to be brewing to get the liquid from to put in my sorrel cake. I got 1 pound of raisin and 1 pound of prunes. And right here I got 10 eggs. And you know my spices, my vanilla, cinnamon powder, rose water, almond flavouring, my mixed spice, my nutmeg, and I have 1 pound of butter here now. Salted butter. You know my flour, as I said, sugar and everything, peeps. So yeah, peeps. So I'm going to be going through the process, but I'll also link the recipe in the description, peeps, so you can check it out. Alright, so I'm going to be showing the process, peeps. So just continue watching, peeps, and you'll see the process. Alright, peeps? Bless it. Yeah, peeps. So I put my sorrel here. Basically bring it to a boil. Bring it to a boil, so I'm going to turn this off now, peeps. See that color? Yeah, man. So I'm going to turn this off now, peeps. And I'm going to add a little small amount of ginger into this. Give it a little ginger, but too much. I don't want the fruit cake being override by the ginger taste. Because it's not a ginger cake I'm making, it's a fruit cake. So just a little flavor when I put in this amount of ginger into it. And just I'm going to cover this up now, peeps. And make this settle down until cool. Basically, you can do it overnight. But I'm going to make it after a couple hours after it cools down. I'll be using it. Alright, peeps. See that? Pretty. Yeah, peeps. So just continue watching, alright? Just going to just cover this down now and let it sit until cool. Yeah, peeps. So just continue watching the process, alright? Wise Choice channel. Yeah, my peeps, welcome back. So I've now brewed my sorrel mix. I'll be using some of this. This is what I'm going to infuse in my fruits. I don't basically do steam or put down fruits to soak and all those things. I think those are long time days of doing things. For me, I got a thing like this. This is called, as you know, the Ninja. One of the best blender there is right now. Alright, so right now, peeps, I'm going to show you the secret. So the sorrel rum here, D&G sorrel rum, very good. And I have some red label. Yep. I'll also be putting in a little Real Neville white rum in it also, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be putting in my Ninja, my fruits in the Ninja. So this is my raisins and my prunes, pound and pound. Yeah, peeps, so I'm just going to start this up. Throw my sorrel brewed liquid on it. Some of the D&G sorrel rum, some red label, and as usual, I'm not going to leave out the white rum, peeps. This is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. This is how I do it. Everybody do their things different. Everybody have their different style, different recipes. But this is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Alright, peeps? Yeah, so throwing in now my sorrel brood blend. Nice. Red label. Yeah, that good. And now, peeps, I'll be putting in my. So basically, I'm putting in roughly a cup of each. 8 ounces, a cup of each. But peeps, as I say, you can estimate based on what you want or how you like your thing to be done. And finalize this now with some good old Jamaican white overproof rum. Yeah. Go hard on the rum still. Do rum now. Yeah, peeps. I'm just going to cover this down now. Ninja. And I'm going to puree this. So I'm going to check this now for the consistency. Yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good right there. Right there, peeps. See that? Yeah, nice and red. Wow, look at that. Look at that, peeps. Very good look. Very good look, peeps. Very good look. Alright, peeps, so this will be going into the butter when I make it into the butter. But you'll see the process as usual, because I know a lot of you guys watch my other videos. I was doing a normal fruit cake. So just continue watching, peeps. I'll be mixing in my eggs and my butter and my sugar together, alright? Just keep on watching, peeps. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, so moving on with the process now. So I've added 1 pound of butter that I kept out overnight to get it nice and soft, and I've added 2 cups of the brown sugar inside there. And if you want your cake less sweet, you can use 1.5 cup or 1 cup, it's depending on your likings. And not this, the butter paper, leave some of the residual butter on it to grease your baking pan or baking thing. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to just take time, blend this in. There's a piece when you make the butter soft, easy and quicker to blend the butter and the sugar together. Infuse the two of them together, peeps. Also, babes, I like to do things manually. I like to feel. I like to be one with whatever I am cooking or baking, you know. I try to be one with it. Trying to get in all the sugar, blend it out with the butter paste. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to go and blend this out, blend it in, butter and the sugar. Then I'll be adding in my 10 eggs. I'm moving on, peeps, alright? So just keep on watching, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so now I've blended that in now, see, so I'll be adding in my 10 eggs. Took out the eye of the eggs to eliminate some of the rawness, plus I'll be adding in a little lime juice and some the skin of the lime to help cut out any residual rawness that is in there, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so I was going to throw in my eggs now. Yeah, peeps, this is how Mr. Wise Choice do it, you know. I'm going to tell you, peeps, a mad thing, mad thing. Yeah, man. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my normal black fruit cake. So I'm going to be doing the sorrel one now. Yeah, peeps. And just blend that in good, peeps. Just blend in the egg, the butter, and the sugar, peeps. Yeah, peeps, I'm going to go and blend this in now. Then I'm going to transfer this into a bigger bowl. Next thing I'll do, I'll be adding my fruits. So check it out, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so as I said before, transfer the egg, the butter, and the sugar in a bigger bowl. Continue to blend in. Your peeps, so you continue to blend that everything is infused in together. Alright, peeps, I'm going to be adding my fruits now. Blend this in now, peeps. You see this now, peeps, I'm not going to be adding any browning into this mix. Like the black, as I don't want it dark, I want it to come out of a red look. Looking red, like sorrel. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to be adding some more of the sorrel brew. A little more of the color and the taste. See that now, peeps? Yeah. What you're looking for. Yeah, peeps, so we're getting there. Sorrel fruit cake done by Mr. Wise Choice Style. This is how I do it. Everybody them think different, peeps. This is how I do it. You understand me? So I'm going to continue mixing this, peeps, and then I'll be adding in all my dry ingredients. Alright, peeps? My flour, my breadcrumbs, and then my spices. So just keep on watching, peeps, and you'll see the process. Yeah, peeps, so that look, having that red look, peeps. Yeah, man, just like that. So I did a little more. About a quarter cup of the sorrel rum. All of them, the white rum and the red label wine, peeps. Red label. Yeah, peeps, so what I will basically do now, my dry ingredients going to be last, so I'll be adding in my vanilla. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons. Well, I'm going to put in 3 now, peeps. 3 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of almond flavouring, I will put in 1 tablespoon of mixed spice. And I'll be putting in 2 tablespoons of rose water. Those are my liquid spices, peeps. Peeps, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a roughly a tablespoon of lime juice. Lime juice, for me personally, is the closest thing to the real thing. Nothing getting paid for this promotion, but I just have to talk the truth. Yeah, peeps. I'm going to be adding in some lime, or greater the skin of the lime. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to grate the skin of the lime. And then I'll just blend in everything, peeps. After this now, peeps, I'll be adding in my flour and my breadcrumbs. So just keep on watching. Alright, peeps? Going to finish putting in about a teaspoon of the lime rind, peeps. Alright? Keep on watching. Yeah, peeps. So I'll be adding in, by right, this proportion of the formula should be 2 cups of flour to the pound of butter and the sugar, but based on the excess liquid that I put in it with the sorrel, yeah, peeps, so I just strain in the flour so that there are no lumps. Nice. And peeps, I'll be putting in a tablespoon of my baking powder. Yeah, peeps, so you see, yeah, my peeps. So basically I've added in, it work out to roughly about 3 cups of flour and 3 cups of the breadcrumbs, peeps. So peeps, now I'll be adding in a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Nice and creamy, peeps. Nice and creamy. So you want to get it. Now, peeps, I'm going to grate about a teaspoon of my nutmeg. Yeah. Some of that nutmeg flavor, peeps. Yeah, peeps. You see now? Turn it in, peeps. Peeps, so you see basically stand up like that. The stick upright. You know the patch is ready, peeps. Alright, peeps, so let's check it out. And I'm putting them in the oven. Going to bake it at about 270 degrees C. Slowly. So I don't have much cracking or anything like that on the top. So that it don't rise too fast. Let's take your time, bake, peeps. Alright, peeps. So I'm going to get in these in the oven now. So let's continue watching and put them in the baking tin. Alright, peeps? Cool. Yeah, peeps. So I basically got out of it. Dropping it like that, peeps, to get out any of the air bubbles out of it. Shake them in. So you know, peeps. Nice and smooth. Look at that, peeps. Yeah, man. Get out any air bubbles out of it, peeps. Yeah, man. Two lovely cake, peeps. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Alright, peeps, so that's basically the process. And as I use the butter, the residual butter on the paper to grease my pan, put a little flour. Now, I would grease paper at the bottom of that piece, but tell you the truth, time running down on me now because I got to get somewhere. So this is just as good. Grease it and a little flour, shake it around and just out the excess, peeps. So them there? Yeah, man. 2 of them. Nice. Beautiful, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So I'm going to put these in the oven now. Set at about 270 degrees. See? And for roughly about an hour. Or maybe a little more until when I prick it with my knife or my ice pick or toothpick comes out clean. It's all done. Alright, peeps. So Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Wise Choice channel, peeps. Always try my best to give you guys good content. Peeps, this is something that I love to do. I didn't go to any school. It's my mom started me into it, and my sister, they are both passed. God rest your soul. But it's just a thing that I love passionately to cook and to bake. Mr. Wise Choice. Alright, peace. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Give a like, leave a comment, ask anything you want to ask, and I'll be there to answer, peeps. Alright? Yeah, man. So when they are true, I'll make you say, alright, peeps? Blessed love. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, man. See the finished product there? Yeah, man. Nice. Sorrel fruit cake. Yaad man style. Mr. Wise Choice style. See it here, peeps? Look on that, peeps. Nice and juicy and moist. See that, peeps? Yeah, man. Sorrel fruit cake, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So, once again, thanks for watching. Greatly appreciate. Basically Christmas now, so I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to you and yours. Alright, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Give a like, leave a comment. They're greatly appreciated, peeps. So just have a lovely holiday and be safe. And God bless you all. Wise Child channel. Jamaican Sorrel fruit cake. Blessed love.